you can take your Instagram account to new heights with the help of artificial intelligence. You must have come across on accounts that are using AI generated models as influencers. These AI generated models are being seamlessly integrated into influencer accounts and you can't even tell that they are AI generated. In this video, I will teach you how to create AI generated influencers. I will show you how to train your own models using AI and how to propel your Instagram account to unprecedented success. First, let's take a look at some accounts that have used AI generated models and have gained a significant number of followers. Now let's kick off our video. So first of all, we need an AI generated model that we will use for our Instagram account. To generate the model, we will visit leonardo.ai. As soon as you visit the leonardo.ai page, you will be presented with an interface. Here you should click on photo reel. You have a variety of images to choose from. Select an image that focuses on face and is camera centric, just like the example picture you provided. After choosing your model's image, type in a prompt that describes it, or you can even use the description you provided as it is. After entering the prompt, click on the generate button. The AI will then provide with you 4 generated images. You can choose the one that you find most appealing for your Instagram account. In my case, I have selected this model. Now that we have our model chosen, let's move forward. Ensuring consistency in generating your model's images with different outfits or poses can be quite challenging. To maintain consistency, let me guide you through the process. To start, search for an Instagram account with substantial number of followers and engaging following. Once you have found such an account, select the image that resonates with you. You can download these images using various Instagram downloader tools available on the internet. For instance, I am using snapinsta.app to download Instagram photo or reels. Copy the link of the image you like, paste it onto the downloader and then download it. By using this approach, you will gather a collection of images that you can use as a reference for consistent image generation. These downloaded images will serve as a sample for your AI model to emulate, ensuring a coherent and consistent aesthetic for your generated content. Let's continue. To proceed, we need join the Discord server mentioned in the description. I will join the Discord server for inside phase by clicking provided link. Once inside the Discord server, you will see an interface. Now type /save ID and upload the image that you generated using leonardo.ai. Once the image is uploaded, provide a name for your ID like skill.ai in my case and hit enter. Next type /swap ID followed by the name you assigned to your ID. Upload the image you downloaded from Instagram. Provide its name, for example skill.ai in my case, and press enter. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready, showing the face swap with model you generated using leonardo.ai. Now you can see that your Instagram photo has been swapped with AI generated model. Repeat this step to generate more images with consistent face swap, just like the example picture we used. With this method, you can easily generate a variety of images that features your AI generated model with different outfits and poses. These images will provide your Instagram account a consistent and engaging look, allowing you to take your account to the next level. You have got it right. The information about creating consistent images using AI generated model and boosting your AI generated influencer account on Instagram is now clear. Reels are extremely significant on Insta. You can't do it without them. Visit collab.research.google.com using the provided link in the description. Upon arrival, you will see a similar interface. Start by clicking connect. Once connected, follow the same steps. After completing these steps, in a short while, you will upload the video you previously downloaded from Insta. Do the same with the image. Once everything is completed, take some time to rename the video by removing special characters. Copy the path and click source. Paste the path of the downloaded Insta video and do the same with the image copied path. Then go to the target and paste these paths. After clicking start, the platform will take a bit time to prepare the video. When it's ready, you can download the video named swap.mp4. After that, witness the incredible transformation. Isn't it amazing? Your Instagram reel is now ready, featuring AI generated model created with leonardo.ai. You can upload this video to your Instagram account and potentially gain a significant number of views. You have the power to boost your account with the assistance of this AI generated influencer. So that was some of what I taught you. How you can create a face swap from Instagram images, how you can create for yourself. However, I'm also going to share some simpler method with you on how you can generate your AI generated influencer using face swapping in your reels. For this, you will need to visit the website called reface.ai. Once on the website, you will need to upload the video you downloaded from Insta. After uploading the video, you will need to upload the image you generated from leonardo.ai. Clicking here will render your video ready. Another method is face swap video by Deepfake app. You will need to download this app, upload the video you downloaded from Insta and upload the image here. This method works as well. However, the best video generated was the one from the first method I explained in the video. So I suggest you prepare your Insta reels using that method. I found it to be most authentic since it doesn't compromise video quality or have any watermark removal needs. I hope you really enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting related content. Thanks for watching.